Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Valentine's Day Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to start out with one of the foam hearts from Dollar Tree from their Valentine's Day section. And the first thing I'm going to do is paint it just to kind of make it look a little bit better here on the back. So it's not going to be all styrofoam, so I just went over it with some ivory acrylic. I'm going to actually flip it over and we're going to cover the other side with roses. These are the Dollar Tree felt flowers. They're so pretty. They're little red felt roses. They come in a couple different sizes, and I want to cover the entire heart with these. I thought this would be a fun way to craft this little foam heart. It can be a challenging item to DIY. I have a few different DIYs on my channel where I've used these. I've also recently made conversation hearts with them. So I am just going to kind of pair this together. Again, there are different sizes, so you can kind of pick what size works, kind of alternating between the larger ones and the bigger ones worked for me. I did the middle first and went all the way up. I found that 5 fit really well. And then I decided that you might be able to see the top, so I went ahead and put a 6th one up there too. Now I'm going to kind of nest them on the sides in between, and I'm going to do one side at a time. That way I can kind of make it symmetrical, but just using hot glue to attach it. Now hot glue and the foam does kind of melt and react a little bit. A way you can get around that is to seal it, or sometimes I've used masking tape on it. But you're not going to be able to see any of that in the final project because I'm putting them in there rather tightly, as you can see. Now, I was worried that I wasn't going to have enough of these when I got to this point, so I decided to not put one on the most recent row to try to make it work, but I did have enough here in the end. I do just want to kind of keep it symmetrical, and I want it to look like the shape of a heart but be covered with the roses, which are so Valentine's Day. I'm going to add a few more here to cover any of the exposed areas. I was trying to cover all of the foam if I could. And I'm going to add one more right there. And honestly, it's kind of like a puzzle, especially if you only have so many packages of these. I was trying to decide what worked best. I did rearrange a couple of mine to move different sizes in different places just to fill it out more and to make it look better. In the end, I was really happy with how this turned out. It stands up on its side like that. It has the perfect like heart shape. And I think it just screams Valentine's Day. If you'd like more Valentine's Day Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting!